Ready to sweat? Let's kick things off with this quick pre-workout routine to activate your body and boost your performance. Let's go.
Hey viewers, you're welcome to my channel. It's a girl and Nancy, and that's on period. Guys, I'm here to show you the warm-up exercises you need to do before you start your usual or regular workout. Okay, you don't just jump into workout without warming up your body. Okay, so stay with me. Let's do these warm-up exercises together, or let me show you the exercises that needs to be done, to get the body warmed up and ready for the proper exercises. All right. If this is your first time coming across my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. Hit the subscription button, like this video, drop a comment, and share. Lots of people are not aware that they are supposed to warm up their body before engaging on their regular workouts. So when you share this video, you are creating awareness to those that did not know. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, then you stand the chance to get daily or weekly tips on how to stay healthy. Don't forget that health is wealth. Your health is more important than any other thing. Without good health, how can you make the money? Tell me. All right. Oh my God, thank you for being here with me. I love you so much. Okay, get ready and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Ooh, all right. To the next one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. To the next one, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 10, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 backward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You're getting your muscles ready for the real exercise. That's the essence of warming up your body. Okay? That's more of it, guys. Okay? Then don't forget the waist. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? So you go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I've lost count, guys. But you can do it 10, 15, as much as you can. Okay? Then sideways. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The wrist. Very important. Then 8, 9, 10. Then the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then can you see that, guys? Make your body, let your muscle relax and be ready for the real workout. Okay? Uh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can hold your eyeball to stop yourself from getting dizzy. Because turning your neck automatically makes you feel dizzy. Okay, unless you didn't do it properly. If you do it just exactly the way you see me doing it right now, you sure are going to feel dizzy. But once you start, press on your eyeball and you'll feel good. Okay, you can also get something for a support before doing that. Okay, all right, to the next one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And we go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, are you feeling the heat? Are you warmed up yet? Okay, to the next one. I just feel like I'm dancing, guys. Are you feeling the same? Workout is always fun for me. Someone put on the music. Oh my god. Ooh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, that's enough. Woo. I'm so warmed up already. I am so ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. 3, right? Are you counting, guys? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. With these few exercises, you're ready. Oh my God, I'm so ready. My blood is hot. I'm ready for this exercise. Okay, let's go. How many sets, guys? Oh my God, I forgot to count. But I'm sure you're counting, right? Okay. I think 4, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 9. And 10. Come on, come on. All right, let's go, let's go. So you can just count to 20 or 30. Okay? So You go side by side. Okay, so I'm sure by now your body have warmed up, right? So you are ready for the main exercise now. Okay? All right. If you have watched up to this very point, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and share to create awareness to the general public that it is very important to warm up your body before engaging on your daily exercise, especially cardio. All right? Okay. So thank you for watching.